So today I'm going to show you guys how to clean your mass airflow sensor. Now the first thing you're going to need is obviously a mass airflow sensor cleaner here. These cleaners you could buy for around, I'll say like $7-8 off of Walmart or AutoZone. Okay, now the first thing you're going to have to clean is the inside of the sensor here, as you can see here on the side. And there's also a front hole where you could clean it, and there's a back hole. As you can see, there's plenty of spots here where you could clean it off. For this, you're going to need your straw off of your can so that you could reach in between those places. So as you can see here, this is the can itself. If I just spray it, it's going to be very, very wide, and it is going to be a tad bit wet. It does dry out very fast. The first thing you want to make sure is not to get the connection wet. You do not want to get this connection wet because it's an electric connection. So the first thing you're going to have to do is just spray right inside the sensor here, just like this. Make sure it gets inside there so that all the dirt and all of that stuff will come out of it. And if you can on the back, you can spray in the back as well. You can see there, the bottom as well. And right here at the front here too. So you have to make sure that the inside of this sensor here is clean. Make sure to at least see the colors here of the inside here. So as you see here, it's red and yellow or brownish, and I can see them very, very clearly. The inside of the sensor looks very clean, and the sensor is pretty much good to go. Now from here, let the sensor dry for around 20 to 30 minutes so it will dry up 100% clean. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.